Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. I'm glad that you stopped by today. You'll be surprised to see what I do with an orange cone. I found this cone at Dollar Tree one day and they had it marked down to 50 cents. I've seen them there before. I've seen bigger ones, but I've seen these small ones. I think they use them for soccer. I decided to make it into a floral arrangement. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting the rim off, and it was kind of tough to cut through those little ribs. So what I did was I took an X-Acto knife and I cut through the ribs just to give me a little more ease to cut with the shears. The rest of it was pretty easy to cut, and I didn't want to snap it and break it, so I wanted to pre-cut through there. As you can see, it takes me a little bit to get through there. There it goes. Now I had this big sheet of, it was a big sheet of moss that I got from Michael's, and I got it quite a while ago, and I know I got it with the 40% off coupon, and I really can't remember how much it cost. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of measuring out with the cone to see how big I need to make it. Needs to be like a half circle, so what I'm doing is I'm rolling it along and marking with my pencil. These sheets of moss are really quite big. You could do a lot of projects with these. I know now at the Dollar Tree they've got some, but they're too small. I have picked up some of those, but they're just not big enough. I cut a little around the edge because I wanted it to overlap at the top. I'm folding it in half so get a nice half circle out of it. Quite messy working with. So I'm laying my cone on there, rolling it up to get a good idea of where it fits. I knew there would be a little excess left. Okay, putting some hot glue down on it. And I put the the end of the cone down at the bottom. I probably didn't need quite as much as I had on there, but it came pretty close to the edge. And you can see it's a mess, but it looks cute. And I've got plenty to fold over the top. Then I'm thinking, well, maybe I need to take some snips in there so it'll lay flatter. Whenever you've got a curve or a curved edge, somehow you can just take little snips and it lays much flatter. Now, if you want to decorate it, you could always put buttons on the outside, hearts on the outside, lace, twine, burlap, anything on the outside that you want. I decided to keep it pretty plain. I am going to cut a piece of floral foam to fit inside. This is a pick I picked up last year at Dollar Tree. I think I got this at Dollar Tree. It's just some greenery. So I always like to put the greenery down and then work out with the florals. Keeping it kind of low and compact. Finally found my wire cutter. Hopefully the glue will make it stay in there better. Looks like I couldn't figure out where that piece belonged. Now, this pick I have here, it's really cool. At the end of summer last year, I was checking out the discount area in Walmart, and they was marked 50 cents. And I took out my phone and I scanned it, and they were 10 cents a piece. So, of course, I was being a greedy Gerda, and I took every one they had. I knew they'd come in handy. This is a lavender pick I picked up at Walmart. It was 97 cents. I just love the lavender plants they have there. They look so real. And this is another little lavender pick. I think I got that from Dollar Tree. And some lamb's ear that I picked up at Walmart. I just love the lamb's ear too. I'm having a hard time finding some leftover space in that foam. I'm putting in some of the white now. Just make it look like a really nice, fresh spring bouquet. You can see how nice it looks. I'm going to put, these little fuzzy things I got at Dollar Tree last year. Just to give it a little added texture and some grass in there. Just put a few in. And I put a bow on the front. I think I might have made it a little too big. It's just kind of hard to see the moss. But I'm putting twine on for a hanger. And you can see at the end how I show you how you can fix them up just for spring. Or here's some picks for Valentine's. Or here is some carrots that I got at Dollar Tree for Easter. You could also put eggs in it. Bye, see you later.